Welcome to Spain! Why the heck am I here? She's gonna get it, she's gonna get it. Oh. And that phrase was life-changing for me. There is something called I do want to go for a swim, but I cannot because I think majority of you guys have not learned this phrase yet. It's going to be fun for you. There is something called commando. Commando is when you do not wear any underwear.
Okay. That's an interesting one. I have to learn that one. I didn't know that.
So today I'm commando, and for the last half year, except for Poland, I try to always be commando.
Okay.
Because Spain is quite a hot country, and I prefer not to have anything extra because it's hot.
It's hot. Look at the cat. Look at that guy.
It's a black panther. It's a black tiny panther. Ooh. Animal. It's a black tiny panther that haven't grown yet.
I'm a cat. I have a cat energy.
Ooh, I can definitely see that. Fountain from the sky.
Fountain from the sky, but where is the water coming from?
It's coming from the sky.
Oh, wow.
We're gonna find out. Where is the water coming from?
Right there.
There is no magic in the world unless you create it.
I know, right? I like that. There is no magic in the world unless you create it. Yes.
Yep.
I'm gonna take that one with me.
Here's a fun phrase for you. I love seafood diet. Have you heard that one?
No, I've never heard that.
Seafood diet.
Seafood diet, where you wanna eat seafood?
No, it's when you see food, you eat it.
Oh. I like seafood diet. Oh my God.
I see food, I eat it. If I don't see food, I don't eat
it.
This is a gate. It's kind of a large door that you open up to get inside of some area. And around this park, we have a fence, large fence, to protect this area from wild people like us and wild animals, I guess.
Yes. If anyone is in Alicante, we should let them know this is where they should come.
Park, oh yeah.
Give them the...
This is a place where you gotta go if you're ever in Alicante.
Yes.
Parque El Palmeral.
Yes, come over and check it out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yo, yo.
Yeah. I'm loving it now.
Oh yeah.
I can do this. I should do this for a living.
Here's the thing. When we started this video, she was acting as an introvert, very like, oh, hi, very diplomatic.
Right.
Now she's all chill, yo, yo, yo. Welcome to Atlanta.
Welcome to ATL, yeah. I think it's your energy. It's transferable. I think that's what it is.
Thank you. You guys let me know if it's transferable through the screen or not.
I mean, that's why they watch the video, because it's like the energy is amazing.
Energy!
Yes! Energy is everything.
Exactly. As you can see, I travel a lot all over the world and I record videos like this so you could learn your English and have fun. I would like to ask every one of you guys to drop a name of your country in the comment below with a couple of more words describing what do you think I could record in your country.
So I feel like this is a good place to come for a solo date. You see what she's doing? That would be something I would do. So I might be here.
What is it called? Solo date?
Solo date. She's on a solo date. With her book in her hands and she's just reading and enjoying her time with herself.
Exactly.
Yes.
I love that.
So I may be back here because it's really close to home.
How many minutes are you from here?
From my home right now, say by car, probably about 15 minutes.
Oh, nice. Okay.
By the bus,
swim in lakes.
Yeah.
So we cannot swim. And while we're walking with you through a little city in Spain called Alicante, I just wanted to remind you that I'm running completely free English speaking club for people like you from all over the world, where you can speak English one-on-one and not only with the native speakers and people from all over the world. If you want to join us, it's completely free right now. You can follow the link right below this video. Now, let's continue. I'm going to bring my mom here because she is a girl that loves taking picture of every single bird, every single flower,
Yes.
every single tree or bush, just like those little bushes right there. And
She's a nature lover.
she's a nature lover. I can
Definitely.
probably just leave her here, go for a walk, or maybe we can record another video with you, come back in 3 hours, and she'll still be walking around and taking pictures of everything.
I love that. I love that.
I'm going to have a little bit of water because I drank coffee, and coffee dehydrates your body. It
Yes.
takes the water out. Now I have to replace the water balance, and I know my body. 20 minutes after the water, I'm going to be very hungry.
Hungry. Yes.
So what do you think if we're gonna go back to town and get some food?
We can do that. Yes.
Amen. Let's head back to town.
All right.
Would you be okay to pull out your phone and tell us where to go?
I keep forgetting. I'm the...
You're a driver. You're a boss here.
Okay.
By the way, guys, there is the boss, which means only boss. And there is a bus, like a bus stop or a bus that we actually have taken here to get to this place. Boss, B-O-S-S, and bus,
Which one?
B-U-S.
Thank God Spain is walkable. This is the only place I come and I walk so much. That's another thing I miss about the US is the fact that I can get in my car and just drive places.
Exactly.
Over here we walk for an hour.
So true. Thanks God Spain is walkable.
Yes.
That's a good phrase for you to learn.
Yes.
Thanks God something happening.
Yes.
Thanks God she had water.
Water for
because
you to
I'm
drink.
thirsty.
Yeah. I came prepared.
How many liters of water do you drink per day? Because you got
2 liters of water.
two
a day.
liters of water.
Yes.
Why do you drink so much water?
Because that's the amount I need to drink to keep my body. To keep my body dehydrated.
Hydrated.
Hydrated, yeah, hydrated.
Yeah. Coffee makes it dehydrated.
Yes, the water
Thank you
makes
so
you
much.
hydrated. Yes, so, and I think that my body thanks me whenever I treat it right.
Ooh, nice. So how do you know that you have to drink 2 liters per day? Do you feel it, or did someone tell you that you have to do it?
I did my research.
Ooh, nice.
I did my research and I discovered that your body really needs water. It's like water is your best friend.
Heck yeah.
So drink water, lots of water.
Absolutely. I drink approximately 2 liters per day, or like half a gallon, or 2+ liters per day. And it's interesting because I feel it naturally. When I was a kid, my mom, who used to take me to the sea every summer, told me that I have to drink a lot of water. And on one side, I understood that because she told me. On the other side, I don't drink water if I don't want to, but I always want to. When I wake up, I drink 300 to half a liter, and then in 20 minutes, I feel like I'm getting hungry already.
Oh.
It's not like I drink water while I'm eating. I drink before to clean up my stomach, and then a new stomach juice is getting created, and then I get hungry.
Oh, I'm the opposite. Water actually makes me full.
Oh,
Yes.
that's
So-
interesting.
I have to not
So-
drink before I eat and don't drink after. Like I eat.
Yeah.
After a few minutes after I eat, then I drink.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah.
Yeah. I guess everybody is different.
Yeah. But the most important thing is to learn from it because the body speaks.
Exactly.
And if you listen, then you do the right thing for it.
Yep.
I'm glad that today is not a hot day because I could not imagine us doing this on a hot day.
Yeah, we would be burning.
Yes.
My skin would be red already.
Yes.
Okay, it's quite bushy here.
Yeah.
By the way, these are bushes.
Bushes, yeah.
Large freaking bushes.
Did you show them the ocean?
I think this one is it an ocean or sea?
The sea, yeah.
Oh, yeah, the sea.
Someone corrected me the other day.
My mom always corrects me because I get used to ocean. I mean,
Yeah.
I spent 10 years of my life in Los Angeles. Whenever I see water, it's always ocean for me.
No, People say if you want to see the ocean, you have to go to Cadiz. So I need to go to Cadiz. It's in Andalusia, the south.
Oh.
That's the ocean.
That makes sense.
That's the sea. Over here is what?
It's a lake. I'm just kidding.